Hello students, I am Mrs. Reema Sengupta from Shed Vidya Mandir English High School, Vasai. This is the continuation of history for Standard 8th, the making of the national movement 1870s to 1947, Part 2. Freedom is our birthright. Tilak raised the slogan, "Freedom is my birthright and I shall have it." In 1905, Viceroy Curzon partitioned Bengal. At that time, Bengal was the biggest province of British India and included Bihar and parts of Orissa. The British argued for dividing Bengal for reasons of administrative convenience. But what did the administrative convenience? Whose convenience did it represent? Clearly, it was closely tied to the interests of British officials and businessmen. Even so, instead of removing the non-Bengali areas from the province, the government separated East Bengal and merged it with Assam. Perhaps the main British motives were to curtail the influence of Bengali politicians and to split the Bengali people. Public meetings and demonstrations were organized and novel methods of mass protest developed. The struggle that unfolded came to be known as the Swadeshi movement, strongest in Bengal but with echoes elsewhere too. In deltaic Andhra, for instance, it was known as the Vande Mataram movement. The Swadeshi movement sought to oppose British rule and encourage the ideas of self-help, Swadeshi enterprise, national education, and use of Indian languages. To fight for Swaraj, the radicals advocated mass mobilization and boycott of British institutions and goods. Some individuals also began to suggest that revolutionary violence would be necessary to overthrow British rule. The growth of mass nationalism. In 1905, Bengal, the biggest province of British India and included Bihar and parts of Orissa, was partitioned by Viceroy Curzon. It enraged people all over India. Both the moderates and the radicals unitedly appraised the British action. This led to the birth of the Swadeshi movement, which boycotted British institutions and goods. An important development came in 1906 with the formation of the All India Muslim League at Dhaka. The founder members of the league were Muslim landlords and Nawabs. They supported the partition of Bengal and demanded the separate electorates for Muslims. However, in the year 1916, the Congress and the Muslim League decided to work together for representative government in the India. The growth of mass nationalism began to take place after 1919. Peasants, tribals, students and women became involved in the struggle against the British rule. The advent of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi emerged as a mass leader. He spent his first year in India traveling throughout the country, understanding the people, their needs, and the overall situation. His earliest interventions were in local movements in Champaran, Kheda, and Ahmedabad, where he came into contact with Rajendra Prasad and Vallabhbhai Patel. In Ahmedabad, he led a successful mill workers' strike in 1918.